Greetings. First, please pause the video and carefully read the disclaimer. I hope you have carefully read the disclaimer. Warning. Please transfer BNB only from the wallet, the private key of which you fully control. Do not under any circumstances transfer from any exchange or market, as this will result in the loss of your tokens and, as I warned you above, you will be solely responsible for the loss. Now I will explain and teach you how you can buy the GCWine, GCW, token in 4 ways. The first way is to buy the GCW token using your mobile phone. Now let's add the GCWine, GCW, token to our MetaMask wallet so that when we buy the tokens, they are reflected in the wallet. It's very easy to do this. First, we set the wallet to the BNB network and then add the token. In this case, I have already set it to the BNB network. Now I'll just show you how the token is added to the wallet. We click Import Tokens. Next, we move on to Custom Tokens. In the first field, we need to insert the GCWine, GCW, token's smart contract address that I have copied. The token's smart contract address is written in the description. Then we'll wait a few seconds and it will automatically find the token. As you can see, it has already been found. Then we press Import, and the token has been successfully added. Now let's move to the buying process itself. First, we go to the MetaMask wallet in our mobile phones and open browser where we write https://gcwine.io/. If you are opening it for the first time, the cookies window pops up and you'll save it depending on what information you want our website to share about you. And now we open the exchanger. Let's connect our BNB address so we can buy tokens. We click Connect Now. Then we select our BNB address and click Connect. As you can see, the address has been connected successfully. Then, in the BNB field, we enter the appropriate amount of how much you want to buy. For example, insert 0.15 BNB, agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, which you must read before buying, and click Exchange. As you can see, it shows the gas fee, that is the transfer fee. We click Confirm and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the transaction is successful. We bought 0.15 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens. Now we can see our tokens in the wallet. Now let's go to the desktop version and do the same thing here. Let's first set our MetaMask wallet to the BNB network and then add the GCW token. We click Add Network. Then we select the BNB network and add it. We accept. As you can see, the BNB network has been added. Now let's switch to the BNB network. Our MetaMask wallet has already been set to the BNB network. And now let's add the GCW token. We click Import Token. Now let's open the official website of GCW and copy the token's smart contract address. Then we click Add Token. As you can see, the token has been successfully added to our wallet. Now let's enter the exchanger. Here also we'll read the warnings, if we haven't already done this. Then we go to the Web3 window where we'll once again attach the BNB wallet and click Connect in order to connect. As you can see, it is connected. Now we write the amount of BNB that we want, for example. Let's write 0.70 BNB. Here we also agree the terms and conditions and privacy policy and click Exchange. As you can see, it shows the transfer fee. We click Confirm and wait for a few seconds. The transaction is successful and we bought 0.70 BNB's worth of the GCW token and our tokens are already reflected in our wallet. Yes, our 0.70 BNBs worthy of GCW tokens have already been added to our wallet. As you know, we cannot purchase more than 1 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens without verification. To demonstrate this, I'll show you the third way to buy the GCWine token. This is sending BNB directly to the GCWine smart contract address from your wallet, the private key of which you fully control. For this, we copy the smart contract address. And we open our MetaMask wallet. We click Send and write the address. Then we accept the following. We know that we are sending BNB to the smart contract and we are trying to fully buy the GCWine token with the remaining BNB. We click Maximum. Finally, we keep some BNB because the transfer fee changes while making transactions so that such change doesn't prevent the transaction from completing. We click Confirm. Let's check our transaction on the blockchain. Here we see that as we wanted to buy more than 1 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens and we are not verified, the transaction has not been completed. So please don't try this in vain because the transfer fee will still be charged. We already know that in previous transactions we've bought 0.85 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens. That's why now we're sending 0.15 BNB to GCWine token's smart contract address. Let's copy the smart contract address. Then we click Send. We accept the following. We know that we're sending the BNB to the smart contract. We write 0.15 BNB. We click Accept. Now let's check the transaction. As you can see, Our transaction is successful and we have purchased a total of 1 BNB's worth of GCW tokens, but, as I've told you, we can purchase a maximum of 10 BNB's worth of GCW tokens. However, for that we need to register and verify on the official website of GCWine. Now I'll show you how to register and verify. To register, we should go to Authorization. Then we click Registration. We insert the username. Then we insert our email. And finally we create a password. We accept the website's terms and conditions and privacy policy and click Registration. And then you enter your personal dashboard. As I'm already registered, I'll enter directly and show you how to undergo verification. To verify, we should open our dashboard. Then we click the verification. It's very easy. I won't start filling in the fields one by one because it will take a long time. Nothing's difficult, but if you still have some difficulty in understanding certain things, our contact data is included in the description of this video. You can contact us and we'll help you in everything. In the first field we indicate our gender, then our name, surname, date of birth. In this field we write our address. Then we specify our country of residence. In this field we should upload the photo certifying your address, which you can get at a bank, then your citizenship, then we write our ID, passport number. Here we also indicate the date. Then we upload the photo of our ID or passport. In the next field, we upload a selfie with ID or passport. And at the end we indicate our BNB address, so that after verification it gets whitelisted and you can buy maximum 10 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens. You once again accept the website's terms and conditions and privacy policy and submit the application. The reasonable time limit of reviewing the application is 1 week. Afterwards you'll get the reply as to whether you passed the verification. A few days later, our verification request was confirmed and passed successfully. Now we can buy a maximum of 10 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens. Let's open our MetaMask wallet and buy GCWine tokens with the BNB left on the account by sending BNB to the DEX smart contract address. This is the fourth way of buying the GCWine tokens. We'll see that this time the transaction is completed in its usual way and we'll be able to buy more than 1 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens. Let's copy the DEX smart contract address. Then we click Send. Then we tick the maximum amount. Click Maximum. Leave some BNB in the end so that there's enough BNB for the transfer fee. Then we click Accept. As you can see, the transaction was successfully completed and we bought more than 1 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens. As noted, We can already buy the maximum amount of 10 BNB's worth of GCWine tokens because we have already passed the verification. You can see the information about the GCWine tokens smart contracts and DEX smart contracts in their specifications on the official website, GCWine.io. Now you can also see the information about GCWine on CoinMarketCap as well. At CoinMarketCap you can see every kind of information about the project. Please also follow us on our social networking pages and channels. The links are listed below, at the end of our website. These links are also provided in the description of this video. Please share this video so that everyone knows about GCWine and nobody misses the chance to be part of this project. Our goal for the GCWine token is to make it a bridge between real business and the digital world. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you lots of success and financial freedom.